Good morning children, how are you all? Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we continued for exercise 4.1 up to C Roman it was completed. Now I am going to start D Roman simplified. That means here in the fractions you have to do addition and subtraction. Both the operations you have to simplify in this. See the first one in that 2 by 3 comma 5 by 6 plus 5 by 12. Children, if you observe, first what we have to do, whatever the signs they given for us, in the simplification first we should find that LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. What are those denominators? 3, 6, 12. Here LCM is 12 because 12 is the multiple of 3 and 6. But if you find the LCM of 3, 6, 12, 3 table 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 fours. Again 2 table 2 ones, 2 twos. Therefore, LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 2. 3 fourths, 12 is the LCM. Here, 12 is the LCM. 12 divides 3 by 4 times. 12 divides 3 by 4 times. 4 into that number numerator 2 minus 12 divides 6 by 2 times 2 into that number numerator 5. And 12 divides 12 by 1 time 1 into numerator 5. 4 2 8 minus 2 5 is 10 plus 5 by 12. Okay children, first add the plus terms. What are plus terms here? 8 and 15 are plus term. 8 plus 15 13 minus 10 by 12. It's nothing but 3 by 12. 3 table 3 ones, 3 fours, none. Answer is 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4. See the second one. Second one, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 12. Here first find the LCM of 3, 2, 12. Here 12 only multiple, 12 is the LCM because 12 is the multiple of these two numbers. Whatever it is, I will tell you the process also. 3 table, 3 ones, 2, 3 fours, 12. Again 2 table, 2 ones, 2 twos. LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 2. 3 fourths, 12 is the LCM. Here 12 is the LCM. 12 divides this 3 by 4 times. 4 into that number numerator 1 minus 12 divides 2 by 6 times. 6 into that number numerator 1 plus 12 divides 12 by 1 time 1 into that number numerator 7. 4 minus 6 plus 7 by 12. Here plus terms are 4 and 7. Add these two. 11 minus 6 by 12, nothing but 5 by 12. Nothing but 5 by 12. See the next one, Amma. Third one. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. First find the LCM of those three numbers. Okay children, I think we can't see because of sunlight. I will write this side only, that's all. Okay, see the third one Nana. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here if you observe, find the LCM of 6 to 4. 2 table, 2 threes, 2 ones, 2 twos. Therefore LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 2. 12 is the LCM. 2 3 6 6 2 12 is the LCM. Here 12 divides this 6 by 2 times. 2 into that number numerator 5 plus 12 divides 2 by 6 times and that number numerator 1. 12 divides 4 by 3 times and that number numerator 1. 2 5 is 10 plus 6 minus 3 by 12. What is 10 plus 6 Nana? 16 minus 3 by 12. 13 by 12. It is an improper fraction. What type of fraction it is? It is an improper fraction. Immediately you have to convert it into mixed. So 12 divides 13. 12 ones 12, remainder 1. So 1 by 12. See the fourth one Nana. 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here, if you find the LCM of 8, 4 and 2, you will get 8 as LCM because 8 is the multiple of 4 and 2. 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2 again 2 table, 2 2s 2 1s and 2 1s. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2, it's nothing but 8 is the LCM. Here 8 is the LCM, 8 divides 8 by 1 time, 1 into that number numerator 7 plus 8 divides 4 by 2 times 2 into that number numerator 3 minus 8 divides 2 by 4 times 4 into that number numerator 1. So it's nothing but 7 plus 6 minus 4 by 8. 7 plus 6, 13 minus 4 by 8, 9 by 8. It's an improper fraction. Immediately you have to convert it into mixed. 1 8 8, 1 by 8 is the answer. See the fifth one, children. Minus 2 1 by 6 plus 1 5 by 12. Okay, here first you have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Convert it into improper. 2 3 6 6 plus 2 8 by 3 minus 6 2 12 12 plus 1 13 by 6 plus 12 1 12 12 plus 5 17 by 12. Here if you observe what is the LCM of 3 6 and 12. LCM of 3 6 and 3 table 3 1s 3 2s 3 4s 12 again 2 table 2 1s 2 2s. LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 2 6 2s 12 is the LCM. 12 divides this 3 by 4 times 4 into that number numerator 8 minus it divides 6 by 2 times 2 into that number numerator 30 plus 12 divides 12 by 1 time 1 into that number numerator 17. 8 4s 32 minus 2 13s. What is 2 13s, children? 2 13s 13 2s 26 plus 17 by 12. Okay, what is this? First add these two, Nana. 2 plus 7 9, 3 plus 1 4. These two are partial terms minus 26 by 12. 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 2 23 by 12. It's an improper fraction. Now you have to convert it into mixed. 12 divides 23, 12 ones 12, remainder 11. 111 by 12 is the answer. Okay. See the next one, last sum in this Roman. 2 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 4. 2 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 4 plus 1 5 by 8 plus 1 5 by 8. Okay, 2 2s 4 4 plus 1 5 by 2 minus 2 4s 8 8 plus 3 11 by 4 plus 8 1s 8 8 plus 5 13 by 8. What is the LCM of 2 4 and 8, Nana? If you observe 2 table 2 1s 2 2s 2 4s again 2 table 2 1s 2 2s. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It's nothing but 8 is the LCM, children. 8 is the LCM. So 8 is the LCM. 8 divides this 2 by 4 times 4 into that number numerator 5 minus 8 divides 4 by 2 times 2 into that number numerator 11 plus 8 divides 8 by 1 time 1 into that number numerator 13. 20 minus 22 plus 13 by 8. Children, if you observe here, add these two. If you add these two, 20 plus 13, 40. 33 minus 22 by 11. 8. So 11 by 8. What type of fraction it is? It is an improper fraction. Now you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed. 8 divides 11. 8 once 8 remainder 3. 1 3 by 11 is the 1 3 by 8 is the answer. Okay. Like that we can complete it. In the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.